Department of Information Technology, K.D.K. College of Engineering, welcome you all for the inaugural function of Adult Faculty Development Program on machine learning and data analytics using Python, which is sponsored by AICT. The main intention of the FDP is to provide faculty members how to apply machine learning and data analytics to real world. Also give the knowledge how to develop their machine learning and data analytics projects. I request all the dignitaries to proceed for lighting the lamp.
या कुंदे तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रांकृता या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्मा चतुशंकरा प्रभृतिवी देवे सदा वंदिता सामं पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा.
May the flame of this lamp remind us to always strive for excellence and inspire others along the way. I feel honored to have with us the chief guest of today's function, Mr. Arvind Kumar, Center Head, TCS Nagpur. I request Dr. S.P. Khandait ma'am to welcome him by sapling. I welcome you, sir.
One moment. How can I miss that? Yes.
I request Dr. S.P. Khandait ma'am to welcome Dr. C.C. Handa, Principal Sir, K.D.K. Nagpur. I request Dr. H.B. Goreva sir to welcome Dr. A.M. Badar sir, Vice Principal, K.D.K. Nagpur. I request Roshan Polte sir to welcome Dr. Mrs. S.P. Khandait ma'am, coordinator of this FDP and HOD of Department of Information Technology. I request Priyanka Devalkar ma'am to welcome
Dr. H.V. Goreva sir, co-coordinator of this event. I also welcome Malik ma'am, Dr. Latish Malik ma'am, today's speaker. I request Priyanka ma'am to do the honor. I also welcome all the head of the departments, faculties of various departments and participants, faculties of distinguished institutes. I would like to invite Dr. S.P. Khandait Madam, coordinator of the FDP, to brief about the FDP.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, I offer a very good morning to one and all present over here. Dignitaries on the dais, respected chief guest of today's program, Mr. Arvind Kumar sir, Center Head, TCS Nagpur, our Principal Dr. C.C. Handa sir, Vice Principal Dr. A.M. Badar sir, heads of the different departments, my colleagues, faculty members of the host institution, and all participants who are from the renowned institutes, distinguished colleges, and co-coordinator Dr. H.V. Goreva. I offer a warm good morning to you all. I am delighted to welcome you all in this inauguration of AICT sponsored 1-week Atal Faculty Development Program on Machine Learning and Data Analytics using Python. This program is being organized by the Department of Information Technology, K.D.K. College of Engineering, in collaboration with Atal Academy AICT. As you all know, machine learning and data analytics are the two of the most important and in-demand skills in the world today. They are used in a wide range of industry applications, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing and retail as well. This program will provide you with the conceptual knowledge and new skills you need to succeed in these fields and enhancement in teaching and research capabilities. The program will be conducted by experienced and qualified faculty members from VNIT, IIIT, government engineering colleges and industry experts. The flow of the program will include, the program is for 1 week, which includes the topic like basics of machine learning and data analytics and its implementation using Python. Then hands-on experience in the different types of the machine learning like supervised learning, unsupervised learning and other types of deep learning and so on. The entire program is divided into 10 sessions and 5 lab sessions, and in addition to that there are 4 article discussion sessions which are framed. So on last day we are going to take one session on NEP 2020 implementation, which is part and parcel of this program. I am confident that this program will be a valuable learning experience for all of you, and I encourage you to make the most of this opportunity and learn as much as you can. I appeal to all the participants about your active participation in the sessions and completing the assignments which will be given on time. I would like to thank AICT for sponsoring this program, and to the management, principal sir, vice principal sir especially, because of him only I have applied for this proposal and I got this opportunity to run this particular work. I am also thankful to all our experts who are willing or who have given the consent to deliver the lectures in this 6 days program. I also want to thank the participants for their interest in the program and wish them a successful learning experience. I wanted to quote over here that we got more than 100, means 100 limit is there for registration, but this limit is crossed before 10 days, right? So we got overwhelming response in terms of the registration from all parts of our different states, but because of the limit of most of the participants are not willing to come offline. They thought that the program will be in online mode only, but the persons or participants who are from nearby, also the participant, one of the participant is from Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and another participants are from Chandrapur, some participants are from Usmanabad as well. So they are also attending this program. So I wish all the best to all the participants. Thank you one and all. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for briefing the event to the audience. I would like to call Dr. A.M. Badasa, Vice Principal, K.D.K. Nagpur, to share his thoughts.
Today's chief guest, Shri Arvind Kumar sir, Head TCS Nagpur region. Our respected principal sir, Dr. C.C. Handa sir, program coordinator, Dr. Mrs. Khandait ma'am, Ghorewar sir, head of the departments, faculty members, dear participants. We are here, all of you are here for a FDP. Our motto, our vision of the college is service to the society through quality technical education. FDP is one part. If we see infrastructure of our college, we are having more than 1,000 computers. And out of that, latest configurations computers we are having. This year we have started Master of Computer Applications. For that branch, we purchased 60 latest computers and we are providing to students. As in infrastructure we have developed with good internet connectivity, we are also providing best things to our faculties, and our motto is to inculcate all these things or transfer to all these things to our students. So FDP is also a same part. I congratulate Mrs. Khandait ma'am as she applied and she got the FDP sponsored through AICT. I welcome all participants in our campus, and definitely whatever efforts we are taking that for this FDP having a good lectures of experts, whatever possible best we are ready to provide, and still if some lacuna is there, you suggested, we will try to incorporate your suggestion in coming FDP. With this word I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. You always encourage us for such events. I would like to call Dr. C.C. Handa, sir, Principal, K.D.K. Nagpur, to share his words.
Good morning, everyone. सुबह सुबह आ गए ना? चेहरे बता रहे हैं। माता सरस्वती को प्रणाम करता हूँ, आदरणीय मंच और यहाँ है वो सभी अलग अलग प्रदेशों के कॉलेजेस के सारे टीचर्स को इस केडीके के कैंपस में मैनेजमेंट स्टाफ सबके इधर से आपका स्वागत करता हूँ। A very happy moment to welcome my very dear friend, whom I really respect as my industry counterpart, Mr. Arvind Kumar, amazing person. और ये वो सामने है करके नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, उनको भी बोल रहा हूँ, या जिन लोगों ने मुझे बोलते हुए सुना है कभी अनेक सिचुएशंस में, ऐसे let him understand, he is head TCS नागपुर सेंटर, 9,000 लोगों की टीम है। कितनी? 9,000 के। हमारे पास स्टूडेंट 3,000 रहे तो हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, स्टाफ होता है 150-200 का। He is having 9,000 employees and so no, talk to him. You would be amazed the simplicity, the way he is grounded. मुझे बहुत आदर है सर आपके बारे में और मैं बहुत फख्र करता हूं कि मुझे इतना अच्छा दोस्त मिला। एक कॉल किया यार, मिलने जाना था इंडस्ट्री में, 1 घंटा हम लोग बात करते बैठे मेरे टीम के साथ। अभी इनवाइट करना था, सिर्फ फोन पे बात हमारे दो बड़े, ही सेड यस आई एम देयर। इनविटेशन आई सेड वी वांट टू इनकलकेट कल्चर। मैंने बोला इनविटेशन ऑनलाइन नहीं जाएगा, ये ऑनलाइन का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए तो ऑफलाइन आई है। इसने इंडस्ट्री में भी प्रॉब्लम जनरेट किया, एकेडमिया भी प्रॉब्लम जनरेट की। तो आई सेड मैडम आप इनविटेशन पर्सनली भेजेंगे। हमारे मैडम ने गलती कर दी, सर मैं आपको इनविटेशन भेजने के लिए किसी को, ही सेड नो नीड, मुझे फिजिकल इनविटेशन भेजने की जरूरत नहीं सर, आपको अनेक धन्यवाद। इट इज टाइम फॉर एवरीबॉडी, ऑल टीचर्स। हम किताबें हैं, जीवन से दूर है। वी से एंड प्राउडली से वी आर हियर टू टीच fundamentals. The world is changed. Nobody is wanting your absolute fundamentals. There cannot be life without fundamentals. May it be life, जिंदगी में भी फंडामेंटल होना चाहिए और academics में भी फंडामेंटल होना चाहिए. Very true. But the entire world wants applied. You must have a knowledge, strength, clarity, application of that fundamentals to life problem. You look at आपका एक सेशन, शायद मैं मेरी मुलाकात होगी मैडम, मैं हूं ना, हाँ मैं एनईपी के एप्लीकेशन पे बात करूंगा। Even if you look to NEP, which is your basic domain of academics, entire education is revamped. You have been cut down to 60% of the curriculum you had earlier. 240 क्रेडिट को हमने 160 क्रेडिट बना दिए। Not only that, the theoretical component has gone to about 30-40%. Entire scaling, multi-dimensional, multi-faculty. We are into academic syllabus बना रहे रोज। नए एनईपी का करिकुलम कैसा है, उसका ओरिएंटेशन कैसा है, ये भी टीचर को समझना जरूरी है। And all the world, the education policy is looking at just not fundamental academics. It's all how you make them employable, how you make them dealing with the life situation and problem. My very dynamic, बहुत कर्मठ मित्र डॉक्टर A.M. बदर, the respected vice principal of the institution, बहुत सुंदर है। मैं अर्विंद कुमार साहब को भी बोला कि टीम ऐसी होना चाहिए। मैं तो बतियाता हूँ ना बहुत, है ना, हाँ मेरी वोकल, मेरी टकट है, बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मुझे लोगों से जुड़ना भी। सर भी वैसे है, बहुत हमारी बातचीत इसलिए बहुत जोड़ी जुड़ जाती है। मैं इनसे बात कर रहा था, मेरे बाजू से बैठे बदर सर उठ गए और मैं हंसा कि ये हॉल की सिचुएशन देखने गए है करके। सब अरेंजमेंट तो रेडी है ना, टीम ऐसी होना चाहिए। जब कोई एक फ्रंट पे रहता है तो दूसरा दूसरी फ्रंट संभालते रहता है, सो दैट दिस शो मस्ट गो ऑन। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विद द इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स। लेट मी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड कंग्रेचुलेट मिसेस खंडाई, आपने किया एंड यू गॉट अ पर्सनल क्रेडेंशियल। आपको कोई स्पॉन्सर एसटीटीपी मिलना इज अ पर्सनल क्रेडेंशियल। आपके नाम को, आपके टाइटल को, आपके एक्सपीरियंस को रिस्पेक्ट है। एंड गेटिंग अ चांस फॉर मेकिंग सो मेनी पीपल टू गेट हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग, हरीश द यंग मैन इनटू अ सिस्टम। मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ ये ऑफलाइन एंड नॉट ओनली कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग, ऑनलाइन तो दुनिया कर रही है और ऑनलाइन के लिए 200 एप्लीकेशन आती है। क्योंकि करना थोड़ी पड़ता है, सिर्फ कनेक्ट हो जाना और बाद में क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो अंकल गूगल है, फेल भी हो गए तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बल्कि आज सिचुएशन चेंज हो गया सर, ये हंस नहीं रहा हूं मैं, दर्द से बता रहा हूं आपको। और ये सारी नाराजियां पहले लाइनों के लिए है। डू यू थिंक कि आपने बोला मैंने 20 एसटीटीपी किया और हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं उसको एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर? नो। एज ए इंडस्ट्री नो। हमको मालूम है जीवन काल में ईमानदारी से करने के लिए 10 एसटीटीपी बहुत हो जाए। आई नो बिकॉज आई हैव डन मोर देन 14 एसटीटीपी ऑल ऑन ऑफलाइन मोड। और मेरा एक एसटीटीपी तो बहुत सुंदर है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का, आईआईटी रुड़की में किया वाला। मेरी शादी हुई थी, हनीमून के लिए गया था तो एसटीटीपी किया, फिर हनीमून पे। और लेट मी टेल यू वेरी प्राउडली कि व्हाट वाज द विजन फॉर द कमिटमेंट फॉर द इंस्टीट्यूशन। मैं हनीमून पे जाने लगा, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी है सर, टाइम है पर बहुत सुंदर है। आई वांटेड यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द जर्नी इज जस्ट नॉट लाइक दैट। ऑनलाइन कनेक्ट होने से अगर प्रोफाइल्स बन जाती थी तो कितना आसान होता है। आई नो माय टीचर्स वुड सेड 40 एसटीटीपी किए, ऐसा लगता क्या बोल दिया। मैंने भाऊ साहब को बोला, हमारे चेयरमैन को, सर मैं जा रहा हूं रुड़की, आईआईटी रुड़की में था वो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे था पहला प्रोग्राम 30 इयर्स बैक मेरे। हाँ 33 साल, मेरी शादी हो गए तो 33 इयर्स। तो बोला मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, रुड़की से सामान खरीदता हूं क्योंकि यहाँ सामान 4 गुना महंगा होता है। इंस्टीट्यूशन आया था मेरे अंदर। मैं, उन्होंने मुझे कितने रुपए दिए थे तब के? 2 लाख रुपए सर। 40 साल पहले के 2 लाख है, शायद 50 लाख रुपए मेरे जेब में डाल दिए थे नोट। रुड़की गया, बोला एसटीटीपी करूंगा, 6 दिन का एसटीटीपी था। माय वाइफ वाज इन दी, हाँ यार खूबसूरत है, 6 दिन नई शादी हुई थी, फिर भी 11 बजे से 5 बजे तक एसटीटीपी में रहता था। शाम को बहुत घूमते थे, मस्ती करते थे, कोटेशंस लेते थे। जो 2 लाख का सामान था वो 40,000 में आया था। इन्हें आज के 40 लाख इंस्टीट्यूशन के बच्चे हो गए, 30 लाख रुपए बच्चे हो गए। मैनेजमेंट भी तो प्यार करेगी ना आपको। 10 दिन स्पॉन्सर्ड हनीमून पे गया था। स्पॉन्सर्ड हनीमून की कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है ना, मेरी थी। ऑफलाइन था इसलिए सब चीजें समझती है और पार्ट ऑफ द सिस्टम। ये ऑनलाइन मोड ने स्टूडेंट बिगाड़ दिए, आप लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्री फेस कर रही है। हम आधा घंटा उसी पे बात करते हैं। आई हैव अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबॉडी, यहाँ बैठे हैं ना सर्टिफिकेट के लिए मत बैठो, कुछ नहीं करेगा सर्टिफिकेट जीवन में आप। It would not make a sense. Moment you get the insight of this, moment you understand and hear a man like this, the life would change. अगर आप बदलेंगे, वीरित असल तो बदली देना। वो एक कहावत है हिंदी में, बोलते कि ज्ञान टीचर में आएगा ना तो विद्यार्थियों तक जाएगा। आप ज्ञान के भंडार हो, अपने आप को बड़ा कीजिए। आपको इस एसटीटीपी के लिए आप सब अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू सो मच। गॉड ब्लेस एवरीवन।
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivational words. We have with us very eminent personality, Arvind Kumar, sir. He has done his B.Tech from IIT Varanasi in Computer Science and Engineering in 1992. He has been with Tata Consultancy Services for last 31 years. During his tenure, he has played multiple roles in technical, managerial, delivery, sales, pre-sales functions and interacted with industries from many countries like USA, UK, Japan, etc. The speciality is he is known to nurture his team, realize their potential and develop leaders. He belongs to many technical and professional associations and communities. He is in board of studies and academic senate of many engineering institutes. He held position of the vice chairman and subsequently chapter chairman of the Computer Society India. He was chairman of IEEE Nagpur subsection. He was chairperson of the industry relations in IEEE Mumbai. He was jury for different events. Currently, he is center head of TCS Nagpur. Sir is handling overall functions including providing leadership, for business growth, innovation delivery, administration and operations. I request Principal Sir to felicitate Sir with momentum. We are eager to hear from such an eminent personality. Sir, please address the gathering and share your valuable experience with us.
Thank you. Very good morning to all of you. Respected Dr. Handa sir, Dr. Khandayat madam, Dr. Badr, Dr. Gorevar sir, all the deans, head of departments, all the faculties, participants from Nagpur, Maharashtra and beyond that, and all the dear students who have come to attend these sessions. It's my pleasure, sir, and I express my gratitude for inviting me to interact with all of you. When we talk about the faculty development program, we essentially talking about how we synthesize the knowledge together. That togetherness is extremely important. Otherwise, I am pretty sure all of you who have come here to participate in this workshop, you can acquire the similar knowledge or same knowledge sitting from wherever you were. Today, access to the information is easy. It's not difficult. But when we come together, essentially, we are talking about, can we get a different kind of confidence? It's all about the confidence. Why? Because when we are sitting here for the next 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, the deliberations that will happen, that will help in all of us to develop certain confidence. And how does those confidence come? The confidence does not just come by taking sessions in the classroom or attending sessions when we are there as a student. It is all about contextualizing. Dr. Handa was mentioning about applications. Contextualizing is important. If you look at the theme today, which is a machine learning and data analytics, all of these were there since the beginning. See, data, the whole genesis of computerization is the data. We have started with the data. And then we started looking into what those different type of data is. Yes, earlier probably we were talking about the flat files, then relational database management came, so database system came. Yes, later on column-based database or so many other type of database came. Then we started talking about the business intelligence or data warehouse. Data, right? If you just look at how the next layer which is getting added, then we started talking about, yes, we have learned the business intelligence and data warehouse can be developed a different level of analytics, right? We learned a lot around the analytics part of it. Then we said it's not just enough to have the analytics, it is not just enough to have those reports. Can we add certain intelligence into it? So AI came, there is a lot of evolutions in the AI as well. Today we are talking about the generative AI, ChatGPT. It's not just important to have the intelligence, but can you actually generate the intelligence, generate something new out of those intelligence, right? That's the generative AI we are talking about, right? And now we are talking about that it is not just important to develop the intelligence and develop the insight, develop the analytics, it is also important that how do we develop a contextual and intelligence, right? And there, these contextual intelligence, if you just look at your own intelligence itself, it comes when you contextualize, when you associate. Otherwise, tree is a tree. What tree? It's that tree is a mango tree or guava tree or people cut tree or neem tree. That comes because you have learned how to associate with certain features of that particular tree, right? Those association is extremely important. You know that this animal is different than the another animal, or this human being is different than the other human being. And that association, if you just look at, if you relate, there is a human intelligence which is there, and there is an object on the other side as well. Those objects could be another living beings, and those objects could be another non-living beings as well, right? So machines. So today, the machines and the humans both are coming together, right? That is the era that we are living in, and that we talk as in human-computer interaction, HCI, human-computer interfaces, and that's where this machine learning or data analytics as a theme coming into the picture. And how do you, as I said and started that the whole purpose for this FDP, yes, there is a theme, there is a topic, there is a subtopic, all of those are going to be there, but are you developing a confidence? Confidence for yourself and confidence to transmit that knowledge to the others, right? Whether it is in students or other peer faculties as well. And that will come if you learn how to contextualize. For example, some of the people in your society, the family, may be from the medical science, right? Whether it is in nursing or doctor, surgeon, and all of those. How this particular knowledge that you are gaining on machine learning and data analytics is going to be applied in the field of life sciences and healthcare, right? Just if you just look at today, the application of computers, whether it is a robot, whether any other things as well, that's there in the medical science, right? Today if you go to a particular eye surgeon for cataract or glaucoma, you will find that the doctor is just sitting next to the patient and doing nothing, right? Have you seen that? Everything is being done through some machine. That's a robot, intelligent robot. Many times it also happens that the doctor is not even here, maybe sitting somewhere in Hyderabad or Chennai from Arvind Eye Hospital or so, and the surgery is being done here, right? All of those are possible today. All of those are possible today. So there is a machine and there is a human. And in the whole process, certain data is getting exchanged. certain data is getting synthesized, certain intelligence is getting extracted out of it, and those intelligence is coming to the rescue for whatever the ailments which we are trying to fix, right? Similar things is also there when we talk about the manufacturing industry. If you just look at today, if you just Nagpur today is very blessed. There's so many industries which is there in and around Nagpur. Many people say that kya Nagpur mein kya hai, but I say that a lot of things are there in Nagpur. Nagpur is blessed with so many industries in Butiburi to Higna to MIDCs, Kalmana, Karor, Karadi, so many places, right? So many industries. But if you go to these industry, and if you go, even like for example, the Spatial, have you heard about that? There is an industry which is a furniture industry that's in Butiburi, and there is Lemken which is an agro industry. When I went there and got an opportunity to see the soft floor, those are not traditional carpentry. That's not traditional lathing. It's so clean, just like the floors are as clean as these floors are. Can you imagine? लोहे का काम चल रहा है, लकड़ी का काम चल रहा है, and floor इतना clean है, काम चल रहा है. People are not sitting idle, right? How all of these are happening? Because certain newer inventions, newer machines have come, which make them capable, right? And in the whole process, a new productivity, new efficiency, new quality is getting generated, right? So there is huge machines and the human interfaces has got integrated today. Visible नहीं है. आप जाओगे, आज पता नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन that has got integrated. And when there is an automation, then ये data generate होना शुरू हो गया. And then machine learning का concept वहाँ पे आ सकता है और आ गया already, right? Or for example, if you look at the agriculture as a field as well. Today you must have heard about, there is a lot of things is happening using drone, right? चाहे वो pesticide का छिड़कना हो, or to understand the quality of those plants and the leaves and the fruits, etc., right? What is happening? Some data, some machine learning that is happening there. Analytics that has to be generated, right? So what I'm saying is that, or even like in the field of education, lot of machine learning and analytics is there. For example, have you heard about an app called Duolingo? Have you heard about an app called Duolingo? That's an app which, through a gamified way, help you to learn the languages of the world. I have learned German using Duolingo, right? I learned even Japanese using Duolingo, right? And I was just wondering, I'm able to learn Japanese, I'm able to learn German. My daughter in fact learned Korean because there is a lot of fashion in K-pops, K-beauty, K-things, right? And I was just wondering कि ये Duolingo for Marathi क्यों नहीं है? Duolingo for Odia क्यों नहीं है? Duolingo for Bengali क्यों नहीं है? Right? Or Telugu or Tamil or Malayalam क्यों नहीं है? You understand, right? Do you understand? There's a lot of opportunity which is there for you to apply all the data. This data is there. What those syntax and semantics of Marathi, what those syntax and semantics of Bengali to Odia to Marathi, Tamil to Telugu to Malayalam, all of those data is there. So many textbooks, or Ministry of Education, or Ministry of Human Affairs, those data are there. And then today, if you just look at the highest concentration which is there in any of the engineering colleges of computer science and IT, right? सभी जगह कंप्यूटर साइंस और आईटी में 30, 60, 120, 180, 240 ये इंटेक हो रहे हैं एंड मैकेनिकल एंड सिविल में 180, 120, 60, 40, 30, 0, right? But just look at that. And despite all of those, what we are doing? We are just trying to gather the degree. देखो degree हो रहा है. We are just collecting a degree. But today, if you just look at, degree is not sufficient, degree alone is not sufficient, it is just one channel for skilling yourself. It is just one channel for skilling yourself. If you just carry the degree, that is not good enough for you, whether it is a teacher, faculties, or as a student as well. Right? And that is where there is a significance of such kind of a workshop. Coming together and not even sitting in this way that we are sitting together today. Sitting in a workshop mode. This is a workshop, right? 4 days, 5 days? Can we create a workshop mode of sitting as well? Where we are able to actually sit together in an equal platform, see eye to eye, and look into one problem statement which is dear to me. For example, if I am passionate about cancer, then in that case, can you look into the cancer as a subject and see that how machine learning, data analytics and artificial intelligence or things can be applied there. Look into that. क्योंकि ये machine learning और data analytics के जो methods हैं, जो methodologies हैं, जो libraries हैं, वो तो Python और R system और सब आ चुके हैं उसके अंदर, right? Those algorithms are already there. That has been done by Google to Microsoft to whatever, right? All of those have done. They have encapsulated what we, for example, 92 I graduated from IIT. उस समय हम लोग काम करते थे फजी लॉजिक पे, न्यूरल लॉजिक पे, लाइब्रेरी बनाते थे, राइट? पास्कल, फोर्ट्रन, C++ just आ रहा था. It had not come, right, at that point. And we used to create those libraries. Today, all those libraries are available to you, right? All those libraries are available to you. Just have to know what those libraries are and utilize those libraries for a context on the problem statement which you are working, right? So that's the reason if you just look at all the new age computer science technology, which is probably the analytics and insight to cloud, to machine learning, to artificial intelligence, to blockchain. If you want to be successful in these new age technologies, it is important for you to go back to the basic. Fundamentals. Fundamentals is what? Knowing about the life, yourself and in and around you. Because that will help you to understand the context or get the context. Right? जब एम्स में जाओगे या गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में जाओगे, पेशेंट के साथ इंटरेक्ट करोगे, डॉक्टर्स के साथ इंटरेक्ट करोगे, नर्सिंग स्टाफ के साथ इंटरेक्ट करोगे, then only you will know about what those medical science is. Then only you will be able to apply computer science or IT or machine learning or analytics or artificial intelligence, etc., etc. Right? Otherwise, can you do that? It's not be possible for you to do that. For example, if you are coming from an agricultural background, it is important for you to go back in the field. See how your parents or brothers and sisters, they are actually tilling the soils and what those soil tilling means. Where do you actually get all the nutrients within the soil? That's important for you to understand. किस soil के लिए क्या कितने पानी की जरूरत है और किस plantation के लिए कितने पानी की जरूरत है, कितने खाद की जरूरत है, कितने धूप की जरूरत है, कितने छां की जरूरत है. All of those, that is important for you to understand and then apply whatever that you are learning today in the classroom or different workshop. Those context is important, and if you develop those contexts, then in that case just see the transformations that you are bringing in the agricultural field. This, right? That's important. Similarly, for example, if you are there and some of the family members or somebody in the society and the mohallas, they are working in the manufacturing industries, try understanding those manufacturing industries. Even like, for example, bicycling. Or for example, you are passionate about the automotive, car chalana hai. Try understanding all those transformations which is happening in the car. From the mechanical to electrical to electronics to connected cars. There is a machine learning there, there is an analytics there. अपने आप कार नहीं चलती, right? Connected cars, self-driving driverless cars. अपने आप नहीं चलती. Connected means what? It's a human-computer interface that is happening in the car. Car is not just a car today. Car is not just a method to transport from one place to another place. It has an AC. इधर नहीं चलेगा AC, वहाँ चलेगा AC. AC में बैठ सकते हो, आराम कर सकते हो, सो सकते हो, टीवी भी देख सकते हो, right? Right? If you just look at today, there is a convergence of technology which is there in every device. There is a convergence of technology which is there in the device, and all of those are generating data. It is all about important for you to understand that what does the data means. And if you are able to associate the data with a certain context and then actually generate the analytics and then generate the analytics in a more intelligent way for certain useful way, that's where these technologies is, right? So I encourage all of you as a part of these 3 days, 4 days, and I understand there are so many beautiful campus, huge campus, so many halls, so many classrooms that is there. If it is possible, make a group. Make a group. If it is not just planned in that fashion, because इस ढंग से बैठिएगा ना 45 मिनट के बाद नींद आनी शुरू हो जाएगी, होती है, right? Attention span today has reduced. Let's accept that particular fact, right? Can we sit together in a circular way or semi-circular way and look into that? Oh, हम आज मेडिकल साइंस से, लाइफ साइंसेस, हेल्थ केयर से रिलेटेड ले, कुछ केमिकल इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड ले, कोई गवर्नेंस से रिलेटेड यूज केस ले, कोई है जो एग्रीकल्चर की फील्ड से रिलेटेड ले, और फॉर एग्जांपल इंटरटेनमेंट के मेथड कोई फील्ड ले, टॉय एंड गेम से रिलेटेड ले. See, every field is important. Let me just tell you, every field is important. Every field has that kind of a potential that is there, right? If you are passionate about gaming, go for gaming, but do something. जो सीखे हो गेमिंग में अप्लाई करो. केवल TikTok to whatever, right? Free Fire, COD. That's okay to play. But can you generate? Not that you are required to create a COD. Yes, you should. But what those data which is getting generated in those games can be utilized in different way, right? Gamification is an extremely important area which is going to be there, right? Because the attention span is reducing. But in a gamified way, you will be able to learn many things, right? 15 minutes में भी सीख सकते हो बहुत सारा चीज़, right? So that is where this importance of such workshop is. So the channel for learning, acquiring the wisdom is not just limited to sitting in a classroom, not just limited to sitting in such workshop. It is also through many other ways, where actually you can collaborate, you can share the knowledge, you can flip the learning. It's not necessary for a teacher for you to take the whole lectures in the session standing here. Can you flip it? Give those problem statement 2 days, 1 week, 1 month before to the students and ask that who can come on this stage and take the sessions. And where I am as a teacher is facilitating those teaching process or learning process or problem statement process. Intelligence is there in everyone. Intelligence is there in everyone. It is important to give that opportunity to all those students as well, right? So what I'm saying is flip it. Use multiple channels. Like for example, this workshop is one channel. Industry visit is another channel. Internship is third channel. Hackathons is another channel. Participate in that. When you participate in that, when you see what other people are doing or what I will do, whether from the field of computer or not from the field of a computer, you will be able to develop a context, and in the whole process, you will be able to develop a confidence, and that is the essence of all such learning process in the workshops. With this note, I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable knowledge. Definitely, it enhances our skill set. Thank you so much. Gratitude is not in words, but in the heart, which express it. Now, I request Dr. H.V. Goreva, sir, co-coordinator of AICT FTP Faculty Development Program 2023, to present vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, good morning to all the participants, students, dignitaries on the dais. Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion. I would like to thank all the honorable dignitaries who blessed us with their presence. I am also very much thankful to all the program advisory committee members and the speakers present here. Words are not enough to thank their constant guidance and support to shape such kind of FDP program. I am thankful to Dr. Arvind Kumar sir, Center TCS Head Nagpur, who graced this function and inspired our faculty member as well as student on this occasion and give us one new way to conduct the teaching process and the learning enhancement, how we can incorporate in our daily lives and give chance to the budding engineers. We surely ensure you, sir, we will do that. I also thankful to Dr. C.C. Handa, Principal, K.D.K. College of Engineering, and Vice Principal Sir Dr. A.M. Badar sir, who continuously support and encourage us to conduct such kind of events. I also thankful to our management, Honorable Shri Baba Sahab Murak, Rajendra Ji Murak, ex-Minister, Maharashtra State, and Treasurer Shri Yashraj Ji Murak, who continuously inspire us to conduct such kind of event and motivate students as well to participate in such kind of activities. I also thankful to all the head of the departments present here and the various faculty members who came across all over the part of India to participate in this event. We surely make some fruitful outcome from this FDP program. With this, I would thank to all the members, faculty members of K.D.K. as well as the faculty members, participants who are coming from the various other departments and the other engineering colleges. Last but not least, our coordinators, my college and students who actually continuously supporting us, their effort, giving efforts to make this program a successful one. Hopeful for the coming sessions, the speakers and the 10 more sessions we have planned as per schedule, we surely do a good things out of it. We will gain something so that student as well as the faculties will be get the benefit of it. Thank you very much. I would like to request participants to please join in B218 room number for the session conducted by Malik Farah.
समजलं ना स्टॉप करू का हो